All right, in this section, we're going to set up everything we need for our platformer game. We're going to start off downloading the asset pack we will be using, which will be at this link here. Then we're going to go ahead and create all the new folders for the game's art and components. We're also going to give the starting UI a title and a short description. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. This here is the asset pack we are going to use for this game. It's going to be called New Platformer Pack. If you've already downloaded it, great. But if not, it's located at kenny.nl/assets/new-platformer-pack. So go ahead, download this if you haven't, and then we can begin. All right, once you've downloaded the pack, let's go ahead and create a couple folders now. Let's go ahead, select our art folder, right-click, create new folder. Let's just call this platformer game. Let's go ahead, save that name, hit OK, perfect. Let's also create a components one. Right click, create new folder. All right, platformer game, go ahead, hit OK, and there we go. So any art we use, we want it to be in the art one, and then any components we create, we want to put it in the components one. Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead now and duplicate our UI scene. So let's go ahead, locate the UI scene we want to use, which is right here, the starting UI. Let's right click, duplicate it, paste that same name. Don't forget you have to have that .tsc in there. So go ahead, once you have all that, hit OK. All right, let's go ahead now and enter it in the actual navigation area. So we have number 13 here, so we're going to be on 14 over here. So let's go ahead, type in platform game, and then give it a number, which this is going to be number 14. So let's go ahead, put that there. Let's go ahead now and open up the script. So go ahead, there we go. All right, let's create a new preload for it. So let's go ahead and copy this one here, paste it below. Let's go ahead, put platformer here, or platform, either one works. Platform, perfect. Then we got to change the game out. So let's go ahead, type in platformer, select it, make sure it has that .tsc in there, remove any extra stuff it adds. All right, and there we go, awesome. Let's scroll on down to the if statements now. Let's go ahead and add this new entry. Let's copy this lowest one here. Let's go ahead, paste it in. Let's simply go ahead and change this, copy it, and change that first. Perfect. All right, so now that we have the parameters set right here, let's go ahead now and change the picked game to our platformer game. Perfect, awesome. All right, let's go ahead and save that change. Let's go back to 2D view. Let's go ahead now and open up our platformer game. Perfect. All right. Now we just need to give it a title, description, and change the main node name. So let's go ahead, close up the things we don't need open. Let's select the title. Let's go ahead and change it to platformer. Perfect. Let's give it a short description. I'm just going to say, jump through the game and collect coins. Okay, perfect. Again, you can put whatever you want here, but I'm going to leave this just like this. Awesome. All right. We can also go ahead, close this up, change the main node name. We're going to call this platform game. Go ahead, enter that. Let's save what we got, and looking good.